Good morning friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. In my series on the income tax cases, the case which I am going to discuss today is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus ABIR Infrastructure Private Limited. This case has been decided on 11th June 2021 and the matter has been reported in 97 ITAT Tribunal at page number 245. The case has been decided by Hyderabad ITAT. The facts of the case are like this. The assessee filed its income tax return under section 139 by showing an income of rupees 87 crore. After that, the case was picked for scrutiny and the scrutiny assessment was done under section 143 subsection 3 by making some additions, and the assessed income was near about 88 crore. After that, after 4 years, the case was reopened under section 147 by issuing a notice under section 148. Since in this particular case 4 years have elapsed and the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 was already completed, so this case was falling under the section 147 clause A. The requirement of section 147 clause A is that the notice should mention that there is escapement of income and that escapement of income is due to the failure on the part of the assessee to disclose truly and fully all the material facts at the time of the original assessment to the assessing officer. In this regard, this is the plain language of the section, but in this regard the Bombay High Court has gone a little bit further in favor of the assessee, and the Bombay High Court has said that in a number of the cases that not only you have to tell in the notice that there is a failure on the part of the assessee to truly and fully disclose all the material facts, but also the assessing officer has to tell in the notice that which material facts has not been disclosed by the assessee. You have to tell the assessee that what mistake he has done by not disclosing the material facts. Those facts should be indicated into the notice, that on the basis of this material facts, the assessing officer in its original assessment under section 143 subsection 3 was not able to complete the assessment, and that's why the income has escaped assessment. When the notice under section 148 was issued, the allegation was made that you have made some contractual payments of near about 95 crore to a subcontractor, and the department wants to verify that. So into the assessment proceedings under section 147, 148, the department alleged that you were not able to produce the evidence of the subcontract expenses and were not able to produce the subcontractor also. That's why the department made the addition of 95 crore. When this matter came to the CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee. So the department was before Honorable ITAT, and ITAT said that in this particular case, the very important jurisdictional part of section 147 clause A is missing, because that does not alleges on the assessee that there is a failure on the part of the assessee to truly and fully disclose all the material facts which were necessary for making the assessment. So without complying with the jurisdictional requirement of the notice, you cannot make the assessment of the assessee. So not much going into the merits of the case, the ITAT dismissed the appeal of the department and upheld the order of the CIT appeal by saying that the notice under section 148 does not fulfill the very much important jurisdictional requirement of section 147 clause A, the second limb of section 147 clause A, which says that until and unless you alleges on the assessee that you have not truly and fully disclosed all the material facts which were necessary for making the original assessment under section 143 subsection 3, so now you cannot complete or you cannot fulfill this gap later on. It was the requirement at the time of issuing of the notice. The notice cannot be supplemented by further information. The notice should be complete when it was issued. You cannot supplement the notice. Friends, again, I'm at the end of this video. I'm repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus ABIR Infrastructure Private Limited. Thank you, friends.